Dropple is a dedicated plugin for Ripples, an instrument within the Yoka Instruments collection. Please note that it cannot be opened as a standalone app. To get started, simply open Ripples and tap the Dropple icon. Dropple will then make its appearance. Dropple loves to wander around inside Ripples, playing music as it goes. Every now and then, it splits apart to perform beautiful four-note chords. You can also play along with it. If you touch Dropple, it will tear off a piece of itself and toss it across the screen. If that piece hits Dropple again, it will split and regenerate. Dropple is available for free. Give it a try and enjoy the experience.